rainfall prediction using weather data. So in this problem, we will be writing a code for machine learning classification problem. The dataset that we are using, it contains the weather data collected from various locations across Australia. Now our objective is to predict whether it will rain tomorrow based on today's weather conditions. Okay. So this is a supervised learning classification problem. Here we will be seeing handling the missing values. We will be doing the data analysis. We will be doing the feature engineering. You will get a lot of things to learn here. So the timeline of the project is as follows. First of all, we have to identify the problem, whether it is a supervised learning, unsupervised learning, classification, or a regression problem. The problem that we are looking at is a classification problem. Then we have to import libraries and load the dataset. We have to check the type of variables, whether it is categorical or numerical variables. We have to check for the missing values and handle them. Then we have to convert the categorical columns to the numerical form. For this we will use label encoding. In this code we will learn about target encoding. Then we have to do data analysis and feature engineering. Further, we have to do the scaling, normalization. Then we have to split the dataset into training and test data. After that, we have to select a model and we have to train that model using our dataset. We will then make the predictions. We will compare that prediction with the actual value and check for the accuracy. After we are satisfied, we will save the model in a pickle file. In this program, we will be seeing at how to handle the missing values, how to handle the categorical values, and how to do the scaling. The programming environment is the Google Colab. It is a cloud-based platform that can run Python code with no setup, and it has many advantages. It provides free access to the GPU and TPU also, and there are many ML libraries that are pre-installed in it. And also you have an option to collaborate in real time with other people. So let's begin the coding.